6, 7, 8 years old, I remember I used to go catch possums. Ernest one day said, Rick, he goes, y'all got possums behind your house? I said, yes, sir. You know, and he said, can you catch me some? I'll give you $2 a piece. Now, $2 a piece in 1965, that's like $20 a piece right now. That's big money for a possum. Live possum. Well, man, I was catching 2 possum every day. They had possums. And I'd take them in and I'd dump them in a burlap sack. And I'd bring them to the fish market every day and sell them to Ernest. So some days I go every 2 days. So I was picking me up $4, $5, $6, $8 like every other day, you know, with old Ernest. Really, I've done quite well. I started commercial fishing when I was old enough to run a boat when I was 17, 16 in high school. And I was very successful at it. I made a lot of money crawfishing and trapping and everything. And when I switched over and got into this business, I was very successful at that. You go out there and you respect Mother Nature, you follow the rules and work hard, you'll make a living, you know.
Swamp Pond, series premiere, Saturday, January 26th at 10, 9 Central, only on CMT.